Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make multiple pages in Webflow. To begin, open your Webflow project and locate the Pages panel on the left-hand side. This panel is your central hub for managing all your site's content. Simply click the plus icon at the top of the panel to add a brand new page. You can then select the type of page you wish to create, like a static page or a dynamic CMS collection page, and give it a unique name. Once your new page is created, it is crucial to customize its settings for optimal performance and search engine visibility. Click the small gear icon next to your page name in the Pages panel to open its settings. Here, you can define the page title and meta description, which are vital for search engine optimization. You can also set a custom URL slug and configure open graph settings to control how your page appears when shared on social media platforms. As your website grows, organizing your pages becomes increasingly important. Webflow allows you to create folders to group related pages, making your project much easier to navigate and manage. Simply click the plus icon and select New Folder to create one. Then, you can easily drag and drop existing pages into these folders. This hierarchical structure helps maintain a clean site architecture, which is beneficial for both your workflow and user experience. Finally, to make your new pages accessible to visitors, you need to link them within your site's navigation. This typically involves adding links in your header, footer, or other navigation menus. Select a text block or button, then use the Link Settings panel to choose the desired page. Always ensure that all important pages are easily discoverable. After adding your links, thoroughly test them to confirm they direct users to the correct destinations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.